How to upload audio to Roblox. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can upload audio to Roblox. Let's get it. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto the creator hub in Roblox. We want to go into create.roblox.com. You could just simply type it and come over here onto their website. Once you're in the creator hub, what you want to do is just simply come down here and click on creations, and over here go to develop items, and over here click on audio, and then just simply click on upload asset. Then all you have to do is add the name and description and upload it. So just simply, let's say we want to upload this one. So we'll just upload it, and let's say we want to upload this one right here. So we'll click over here and click on open. Now the name is a bit long, so we'll just, here you go. And I think that looks good. Then you just simply add a description. This is a no copyright music, whatever. And then just simply click on upload. And once it's done, you are good to go. There you have it. Then all you can do is just simply come over here onto your experience, and you can just simply find your develop items right here, go into audience, and you can see right here, and you can play it, and you can change the name or whatever. So, and also if you click on the permissions, you can just simply go ahead and enter in your universe ID or advertise it or whatever you want. So that is how you upload audio to Roblox.